Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder in 2025. So whether you are on desktop or mobile, the steps are very simple. First of all, you need to come here on drive.google.com on your computer, or you can also open your Google Drive application on your phone. Then you need to simply log in into your account. Over here in the left hand section, simply click on the option of shared with me. Once you have done that, you need to just simply look for that folder that someone has shared with you. So you can double click on it in order to open it, or you can also just click on the three dots right next to it and you can just take a look at the permissions that are given to you of this folder. You need to make sure that you have the editor access of the folder. If you only see the viewer or the commentator, you won't be able to upload anything over here. If that's the case, you need to ask the owner of the folder to update your access. So for this folder, I have the editor access. So I'm going to be just double clicking on it. And here, as you can see, we have this photograph available. Now, in order to upload any of the files from your document, you need to simply click on the option of plus icon here in the top left hand corner of the screen. Then select the option of file upload. Over here, you need to select any of the files which you want to upload. So let's say I want to upload this one. So as you can see, it is showing you in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If I double click on it, as you can see, the file has been successfully uploaded here. So this is how you can upload the files to a share folder in the Google Drive. You need to just make sure that the access is editor if you want to upload it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.